Hello everyone, we know why you're here. We at Niladvantage Technologies Pvt Ltd are offering you courses which will help you transform your career. With digital marketing course, we will help you learn the dynamics of digital marketing with the help of real-time live projects of our clients. Our course duration is of 3 months weekend-based program. In this you have to attend classes on Saturdays and Sundays for 3 hours. These sessions will include 2 hours of instructor training and 1 hour of Q&A. Mr. Niladvantage is the trainer of this course, who is also the managing director and the CEO of Niladvantage. Mr. Niladvantage has got his digital marketing experience in various leadership roles in Cisco, India. He has 18 plus years of experience. He was the pioneer of first-time online store of Cisco. He is a trained and certified digital marketing master and strategist from Cisco. Along with him, there are other trainers. You will mainly get 3 benefits by doing this course. 1. You can get a job offer from the company itself if you are a top performer and can expect a salary of 3 to 6 lakhs CTC. Number 2. You will not do dummy projects. You will be involved in live projects of our client. Number 3. In case you are selected for any other company interview, Niladvantage will help you in background verification and feedback process. We have trained more than 100 professionals who have got even the package of 10 lakhs plus. The cost of this course is 60,000 plus GST. But if you enroll today, there's a discount available, hence the cost reduces to 40,000 plus GST. For more information, kindly check our FAQ section in our website. Thank you.